So we're gonna start by going ahead and filing the nail and blending out the tip that we just glued on. I'm using my Cuccio Cover Pink in that color that you seen a second ago. And we're gonna go ahead and make the pink part of the French nail. So all I do is I make kind of like a teardrop shape, oval shape, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna do that with the Cover Pink, and again, you can do this with any pink, but I use a Cover Pink just because it's more firm, as you probably know if you've tried it. It stays in place, and yeah, it's just overall easier to deal with when creating the French, like a little cuticle part or whatever that's called. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that here. Sorry about not staying in the frames during this whole video. This video is actually like pre-recorded a long time ago, actually when WAP came out. So yeah, I'm sorry for not staying in the frame. I'm gonna try better next time. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and file it perfectly into that shape that we want it. I just basically went in and perfected it because obviously we want those straight, nice edges. In this video, I kind of low-key failed at a lot of these designs to my liking. I wish I would have been more precise, cleaner lines, cleaner edges, but I'm not perfect. I'm way better at all these designs now. I might just like come back and like do a comparison like after, you know, 3 months more of practice or whatnot. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and file this into that perfect teardrop shape. Okay, so now I'm actually taking my white powder, and this is also like a white cover so it stays in place as well. I'm going to take that and apply that into the like one side of the French. So where I normally would apply the whole thing, I'm going to go ahead and do just half of the bottom tip. As you can see here, it's pretty self-explanatory. Again, I wish I would have been cleaner and, you know, better at this, but I tried and it still came out pretty okay, but I feel like I could do so much better now. But yeah, just go ahead and apply that to one side. You don't have to worry about getting the white or any color really onto the pink part because we're gonna go ahead and file that away in a second. Once it's dry, you have to let it dry. You can go ahead and file it even more perfectly, straight air lines. So yeah, just go ahead and do that. File it away, file it perfect as you can. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my black acrylic, and I'm gonna apply that into the remaining area, which will obviously just fill in the space. Again, you don't have to worry about getting it on the pink part if you do, because we're gonna go ahead and file that off anyway. So yeah, this part I would say definitely make sure that you filed straight that first bit because it makes this part better. And then obviously when you file everything off, it sharpens it and crisps everything up. But yeah, just go ahead and apply that. Again, don't even worry about being outside the lines. Just make sure everything's even and you can file it down. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and file the whole rest of the nail into the lipstick shape that is the iconic Megan Thee Stallion lipstick shape. Just go ahead, and we're also e-filing it down. I'm going in with the sanding bit right here. I don't know why. I go in with the regular, like, actual nail bit to take and remove the bulk. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do this, and then I'm going to go in with the metal bit where I remove the bulk and actually reveal the design underneath. But yeah, I definitely feel like it could have been crisper. I can definitely do a better job now. I'll probably go in again, like make the same video, but now 3 months later, like I said, and see if I can do better. But yeah, this is how this one came out. Then of course I'm just going in my Cuccio wipe off top coat. You can use any top coat, of course, that's gel. But this is the one I use, and you can see now the result of the design. Okay, so now I'm going in with this holographic, well, not holographic, it's kind of holographic, but within the color pigment that I made, like this color, I made this color. So I can't tell you which one it is exactly, but it's just a pink, a light pink with like shimmer in it. This color, I tried to get it as close to like Megan's color as there was. I put some Pearl X into the color and it came out really nice. It's a really pretty color. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. This is a basic pink in the lipstick shape, and we're going to do that to start. Now, of course, I am filing this down, filing this perfectly into the lipstick shape. You guys know the deal. And then I'm going to go in with that same Cuccio top coat. Again, this is wipe off, so if you see me wiping it off at the end, that's why. I'm just wiping it off with some acetone. Now I'm taking my KDS glue and applying some of that into the center middle, close to the cuticle area in a straight line. You guys can see I'm going to go ahead and attach a little chain. Now they do sell these chains at Walmart and like other craft supply stores that you can use that might look more like what Megan had, to where it's a little bit more like nice and chunky. This one I actually just broke off of a necklace that I had. So that's what I did for this, but it came out pretty cute, like very cheap, very effective, like it pretty much got the job done. Okay, now don't laugh at me, but this was probably the worst design that I did out of all of these. I tried, okay, I tried. Again, I am going to come out with another version of this, ooh, excuse me, where I do a better job, because I just kind of, oof. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lay it down, lipstick shape, white, basic white, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a very, very, very thin, I think you were able to see the numbered brush it was, but I don't remember what number it was. I think it was like a number 12 or something, or a number 2 or something like that. But I'm going to go ahead and take this very thin brush. I'm going to do my best to attempt to write like newsletter headlining type stuff. I believe she had nails like this. I don't remember where exactly I got this idea from. Now that I think about it in retrospect, it kind of was like a sneak peek, I think, into the good news, like cover art and just album art. But at the time, I think it was just a nail set that she had. So I tried my best to write stuff on it. I wrote Hot Girl, I wrote Meg, I wrote WAP on it. And like, if you look at it from far away and don't really look at it too hard, it kind of does look like that. But like again, like I said, don't judge me. I tried. I really, really tried. I wish I had a dotting tool, like a very thin dotting tool, or maybe like just, I don't know, more skill. I'm just kidding. But anyways, I tried. So let me know how you guys think I did on this one down below. Again, I just used black nail polish for this part. Actually, did I use black nail polish or black like paint? I forgot, but I think I used black nail polish, which is why it came out like this. I should have used black acrylic paint. But yeah, now I'm just applying that top coat like I did before. And yeah, this is the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the next nail video. Love you guys.